Head high, chest up, and catch that brain, 'cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So sorry I am on here looking all types of ooh child what happened, but this is legit what happens when a sleek style starts to get old. And so many of you guys were begging me to go ahead and film a video on how I basically preserve my low sleek buns or make them last for a week. So that is what I'm doing, because your girl is ready for a wash day, but I was definitely like, let me go ahead and film this for you guys. So real quick, it's nothing too complex, but figured I'd show you guys. My hair still smells good and it's still pretty moisturized too. But anyway, so honestly, you don't have to keep using the same exact products you use in the first place to make the sleek bun, because now it's just about maintaining it. I'm just gonna go in with the Jamaican black castor oil and the Creme of Nature twist and curling pudding, which I used in the original video. I'm not gonna dip or dabble into that Texture ID styling cream because it is my new favorite styling cream and I don't want to waste it, especially since I'm gonna be washing my hair very soon. I just want this to last me 1 or 2 more days, so that's why I'm only using some curling pudding to give it a hold again. So first off, I'm gonna go in with the castor oil and I'm gonna just put that along my edges, especially because those are what's getting kind of played with, tugged on, and manipulated the most. So make sure I give them some TLC. I know I'm probably gonna get questions on if I do this every night. Realistically, if you guys want the real answer, no, but I really should be, especially like with the Jamaican black castor oil step, just because it is a stretched style and you don't want your hair to break off. So don't be like me. Make sure you're putting some type of oil on your edges and stuff to maintain the health of them in this style. Then going in with the Creme of Nature twist and curl pudding, literally the same exact thing that we did in the actual video. Run that all along your hair. And your hair should still be detangled. All it's been in is this sleek state, so you should still be able to run a small tooth comb through your hair. And you know what too, you guys? You can honestly throw in some gel now if you'd absolutely like. I am still going for the team no gel style, but if your style is getting old and you just really want your hair to lay, it's not against the rules to go ahead and throw some gel up on there. And I am using my Gorilla Snot to lay my edges. Soft brush it all together. Alright, so this side is done. It's quote unquote re-moisturized, so let's do this side. All this white residue will dry, by the way. It's because I used the black castor oil before putting on that Gorilla Snot, so I basically feel like it acts as a protective layer for my edges, but it does dry clear. But yeah, as you see, that took nothing, you guys. Literally nothing. That swoop ain't on point. Let me get that right. Add as much curling pudding as you'd like. You can even use conditioner, any type of conditioner or whatever too. Just lay that on the top of your hair. Now I'm looking like a completely new person, y'all. Isn't that crazy what slicking your hair down can do for you? Take my 2 ponytail holders. Make sure the style sets. My curls are looking a little rough. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this low. Look at the ew. Because this is the front of my hair being pulled all the way back, so it's a different length than the rest. But anyway, let's focus on the base. Now that the ponytail is together, put a little bit more curling pudding or whatever you're using to put on top. And then I'm grabbing a little bit of castor oil, rubbing that together and putting that on top of my hair. Now at this point we just want the style to set. So handy dandy scarf. Pull it very tight and firm. And let it sit. Okay, and then I'll be back once it's set. Alright you guys, so I have let my hair set. Did my little makeup, you know. So let's see what we're rocking with. Ooh. That's laid for real. For real, for real. I'm not really feeling the ponytail, so I'm gonna make my bun. So many people were interested in how to preserve a low sleek hairstyle, and it's really not much to it. Literally, you need one of these, okay? A scarf to lay them edges, lay your hair, let the product set and stuff. Use a moisturizing conditioner or whatever. Slap that on your hair every day when you wake up or go to sleep. You can either do that at night, put on the scarf, and then you're ready to go in the morning, or you can just kind of put on your scarf at night when your hair is kind of like messy or whatever, and wake up in the morning. Do the same thing I showed you. Put on a scarf, let that sit while you do your makeup, and then there you go. So either way it works. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a better understanding of how to preserve your low sleek buns, ponytails, hairstyles, period. And yeah, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. And that is all I have for you guys. Until next time, bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you're on it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.